40 tricky questions to test your English. Ready for the challenge? First question. Find the closest synonym of each. Answer C. Every, which is a synonym of purpose. Answer D. Goal. What does "add fuel to the fire" mean? Answer B. Worsen. What does "make a clean sweep" mean? Answer A. Win all. Choose the antonym of criterion. Answer C. Randomness. What is the antonym of raw? Choose the antonym of acquire. Answer B. Lose. Choose the correct plural of greenery. Answer D. Greenery. What is the plural form of light? Answer B. Lights. Choose the correct plural of asymmetry. Answer C. Asymmetries. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer D. I had the files organized for review. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer A. He asked if I had ever worked in marketing. Can you guess the missing word? Answer C. I didn't see any of the errors in your report. What is the past form of lie? Answer D. Lay. Choose the past tense of pay. Answer B. Paid. What is the past form of beget? Answer D. Begot. Choose the correct spelling. Answer C. Alliance. Pick the correct spelling. Answer A. Democratic. Identify the correct spelling. Answer B. Fictional. Which is a synonym of inside? Answer C. Within. Pick a synonym of restrict. Answer A. Limit. Choose a synonym of valiant. Answer D. Brave. What does the penny drops mean? Answer B. Realize. What does throw cold water on something mean? Answer A. Discourage. What does wear your heart on your sleeve mean? Answer D. Show feelings. Choose the antonym of coincide. Answer B. Differ. Opposite of debase. Answer C. Elevate. Choose the correct plural of oil. Answer A. Oil. What is the plural form of goose? Answer D. Geese. Choose the correct plural of legality. Answer B. Legalities. Fill the gap. Answer D. Historic speech inspired crowds. Can you guess the missing word? Answer C. He does promise that he will submit it on time. Fill the gap. Answer D. I got the team to revise the plan. Choose the past form of saw. Answer B. Sawed. What's the past tense of gild? Answer A. Gilded. Choose the past form of shut. Answer D. Shut. Almost done. Last 4 questions. Which spelling is correct? Answer B. Ambition. Pick the correct spelling. Answer A. Hostile. Identify the correct spelling. Answer C. Important. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Persistent. Nice work! You finished it! How many did you get right? Like and follow for more.